Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LUXEAR cooling blanket. Arc Chill Pro double side design. Cool through blanket with Japanese Q Max over zero point 0.4 cooling fiber. 100% cotton. Oeko-TEX certified. Anti-static. Breathable for night sweats. Oh, it's possible in a size of 51 to 67 inches, or 59 to 79 inches, or 79 to 86 inches. You can choose what you like, gray or blue. The Japanese Q Max over zero point 0.4, regular fiber is just 0.2, okay? Arc Chill Pro cooling fibers helps for night sweat and hot sleeper keep cool and dry all the night. The Arc Chill Pro Q Max 0.4 is awesome. Super cooling feeling. Even in warm and hot summer weather, we will feel really cool with this cool summer blanket. It uses the Japanese Q Max under zero point 0.4. Regular fiber is just 0.2, okay? Arc Chill Pro cooling fibers to brilliantly absorb the body heat. It makes us cool and comfortable. And we have a double side design. Special 80% mica nylon and a 20% PE Arc Chill Pro cool fabric on the top side makes the cool wild blanket feel comfortable, breathable, and cool in the hottest summers. Naturally 100% cotton on the bottom side is great for spring and autumn. This cold bad blanket is a great help for night sweats and odd sleepers. It will keep us cool and dry all night. Oh yeah. And it's a lightweight bed blanket. This summer cooling blanket measures 59 to 79 inches. It's so lightweight that we can easily take it anywhere. The thing or the thin black blanket is a perfect companion in the car, airplane, train, or anywhere else we travel and want a comfortable blanket. And it's really easy to clean. These soft bed blankets are fully machine washable. They suggest us to put our thin, cool blanket inside a laundry net bag to prevent entanglement and damage. And we should keep our blanket fresh and clean. We do not put the bad blanket in the dryer or dry it in the sun. Don't bleach or iron, okay? This cool cotton blanket will quickly become our favorite purchase. Yes, we can use this cool through blanket at home and in our cars. Also, we can keep another at work or where we like because it's portable. LUXEAR cooling blanket. This brings us a cool summertime. It's because they use a special Japanese Q-Max 0.4 Arc Chill Pro cooling fiber to brilliantly absorb the body heat. Then they add mica nylon and PE cold sensing fiber to the nylon fabric, which makes the product's cooled feeling value higher than that of ordinary cool feeling fabrics. A Qmax is a scientific measure of touch feeling of warmth or coolness. The Qmax value is used to elevate whether the skin feels cold or warm when touching the fabric. The higher the Qmax number is, the cooler it will be. For bedding products, the commercial standard is zero point 0.2 centimeters, but this coolness value is more than twice as much, zero point 0.4. All these products belong to the ultra cold series. Cooling blankets made of Japanese Arc Chill Pro cooling fiber absorb the body heat to keep us cool. The scientific blend of 80% mica nylon and 20% polyethylene creates this remarkable advanced Arc Chill Pro cooling fabric. It's skin friendly, ultra cooling, breathable, silky, and anti static. Japanese Arc Chill Cool technology. The Arc Chill Cool technology fabric quickly absorbs human body heat. When the human body touches the fabric, the body surface temperature immediately drops by about 2 to 5 degrees, so our body feels cool. This cooling blanket is made of superior cooling fabric and jade particles with the newest Japanese cool to touch technology, wicking moisture away from the user's body and enhancing air circulation throughout the blanket. It not only keeps us free from sweat, but cools us down with its heat regulation properties. 80% mica nylon, 20% PE Arc Chill Pro Cool fabric on the top side. It's made of Japanese cooling sensing technology fabric and a double-sided 100% natural breathable cotton on one side. And it's easy to clean. You can dry it, we can wash it, we can fresh it, no problem. And it's machine washable. The double-side design is the key. The soft, easily cleaned cover is made with the mica nylon fabric. What is mica nylon? It's breathable, cooling and super soft, making it specially designed to keep us relaxed and cool. And 100 natural breathable cotton. We should say goodbye to scratchy sheet blankets and say hello to luxurious, hotter, great breathable organic cotton. And great quality. Fine workmanship blankets makes a great gift for the people we care about, or it's a great for traveling, camping, and sports for us own. Absorbs body heat to keep us cool. Great for summer, fall, spring. Sleep comfortably for a full night's rest. Needs snow sheet as it feels wonderful against our skin. The outside is Arc Chill Pro cooling fiber, while the inside is comfortable to the natural 100% cotton. Ultra soft, silky, and smooth. It's breathable, easy to keep clean. Simply toss in the washing machine in a net bag. Job's done. And it's very durable and long lasting. They offers a large size for full and queen size beds, not the king size beds, and a small for twin beds and babies. No prop for it. It's really easy to use as you can, and it's easy to wash, and it brings you really cooling effect. This is the LUXEAR cooling blanket, Arc Chill Pro double side designed, cool through blanket with Japanese Q-Max, less than zero point 0.4 cooling fiber, 100% cotton on the other side, Oeko-TEX certified, anti-static, breathable for night sweats, and coolness at summertime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.